Alright guys, current situation. It's dark. I've got the sandpaper. I've got the valve stem. I've got the backhoe. I've got the quarter power pushing on the tire, pushing on this engine block. It's hard to see things, but I'm trying to make it happen. So I put on the tire, the backhoe valve stem was bad. I've got a new one right here. We're trying to put it in there. I've got to clean up the back surface. Here we go. I'll see you in a minute. Yeah, boy! John Deere power! Not mine. Okay, a few minutes have went by. Probably like 35 minutes went by. I finally cleaned up the back surface of the wheel. I've got, I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? Yeah. Alright. The valve stem is in. I've got to put the bolts on. Here we are. I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, a lot of you have been suggesting that I use a torque wrench. So I'm trying to put this valve stem on with this torque wrench. I got my hand behind the rim, making sure that it is not gonna spin. It's not looking like it's spinning. Alright, it's in there. I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna let loose the part of the power, see if that wheel sits. And we're just gonna find out if it works or not. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so I got about 180 PSI in this hose. The guy told me that this wheel needs like 50 PSI in it. Robin? Oh, that's you. Wait, coffee?
Just a hot, yeah, just coffee.
Hey, do you have a lighter?
Do I have a lighter?
Yeah.
Not here, I have.
Oh, man.
Well,
I'm telling you, I'm always into some kind of fun stuff. Oh, the lights went off.
Oh, you want to shoot some air into the tire?
Hey, you got it!
Blow it up?
Yes. Hold on, let me shut this off. Okay. What?
I might have one.
Oh, that would be so awesome. Oh, I do? Yeah.
That guy wasn't very good at it. You think you're going to be able to do that?
No. Ah!
Did it happen?
Maybe. Oh. Haha, your boy